Hey, what's up guys? Jose here, shreddedad.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use wrist straps. There's two reasons why people use these, and these are used for pulling movements such as deadlifts or weighted pull-ups. Reason number one is because there's going to come a point in time when you become too advanced or you're lifting too heavy and your grip will become a limiting factor. What that means is that you're going to lift so much, you're going to be pulling so much that your grip is not going to be able to handle the way that you're pulling. So for that reason, when people want to focus more on the exercise, let's say for example a deadlift, when they want to focus on lifting a lot of weight on the deadlift, they want to focus on the form and the lift instead of having the focus on hanging on to the bar. Okay, so that's one reason. Reason number two is when people have hand injuries. Me, for example, I had a tendon torn on the top of this finger, so I had to keep it on a splint for 6 weeks. And for that reason, I couldn't have a good grip. My grip was really weak on this hand. So these came in very handy. Now, how to use these? Very simple. This is what it looks like before I put it on my hand. You have a loop on one end. You have padding on right below the loop, and then you have a loose end over here. Now, if you want to use it on this hand, what you want to do is you grab the loop on this hand, and then you're going to thread the loose end through the loop. The padding, this padded area, goes on top of your wrist, and then you pull through. Now you know you have it on right when the strap is facing the same way as your thumb. Okay, so that's what it looks like. This strap should be facing the same direction as your thumb. That's how you know you have it right. Now if I switch hands, you'll see that the strap is facing towards my pinky. So this is incorrect, okay? So if you wanted to put it on this hand, what you would do is grab the loop on this hand, thread it this way, the padding goes on top, pull through, and now you see that the strap is facing the same way as my thumb. Okay, so I'm going to put this one on the other side here, thread it through, and then I'll show you how to wrap it around the bar. So now I have both of these facing the same direction as my thumb. So what you're going to do is, whether you're doing a deadlift or pull-up, weighted pull-up, what you want to do is you want to pull it tight. Now you're going to use your non-dominant hand first so that you can help yourself, and then you do your dominant hand after. So you're going to put this underneath the bar. The strap goes underneath the bar, your hand on top of the bar. You're going to be pulling in this direction away from the bar, wrap it around, then you're going to make like you're throttling a bicycle, a bike. Pull, then pull a little bit more, and then that should be able to grip the bar pretty good. Now you're going to do the same on the other side. Your dominant hand, pull through. With your thumb, you're going to pull back, throttle, pull a little bit more, throttle, and then that should give you a secure grip. All right, so for pull-ups, it works the same way. If this is a pull-up bar, you're going to have your hand on top. The strap goes below the pull-up bar. Then you wrap it around, then throttle. Then you keep going, throttle, and then you have your pull-up there. Same on the other side. Do the same thing. This would go under, throttle, and this would be your dominant hand. And then throttle a little bit more, and then you have your pull-up grip. There you have it, guys. Now you know how to use the wrist strap. Now you don't want to use these whenever the weight is enough for your grip to handle. What you want to do is you want to use these when you're starting to use a lot of weight and you're doing a lot of volume, a lot of reps, a lot of sets, and then towards the end of that workout, then your grip is going to suffer a little bit. That's when you want to use these, okay? Don't use these when the weight is too easy and you can handle it. The same goes for pull-ups. If you're just doing regular pull-ups, just use your grip. Now, if you're doing weighted pull-ups and a lot of reps, a lot of sets, then go ahead and try these. So now you know how to use these. I hope you like the information in this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and questions down below. And what I'll do is I'll leave a link to the straps right below this video. They're very cheap. They're under 10 bucks. So, and they're going to last you a long period of time. So thanks again for watching. Have a great day.